Hello, this is Marvin, and here are some techniques I want to share through Filmora 9 video editor. And here are the steps for adding photos and videos. Drag the photos to the timeline depending on the number of photos you want to place in the frame. We did it thrice in this example. Click the photo and go to the screen. Drag each photo to where you like placing them. Adjust the positions and sizes of the photos. Click each photograph to assign similar motion. These steps for adding photos can be applied to videos such as this. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to support my channel.